this is quick concepts for my Algebra 2. I'm going to go just a little bit into order of operations. I'm going to get the problems just a little bit more complicated. Again, just to review, PEMDAS means you do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So I'm just going to give you just a few just to throw at you with some brackets involved, some absolute values, some major division. Now be careful, because when you have this big division bar, you really have to do everything on top, everything on bottom, and then divide last. So it's almost as if these are in huge parentheses. Okay, so make sure you're doing what's on top first, then what's on bottom. So a negative times a negative is a positive, and then of course we have this on top. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1 times negative 2. Negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6, and negative 2 times negative 1 is 2 for a final answer of negative 3. So let's try another one like that, and then I'm going to throw one at you with some absolute values, just so we can make sure you are understanding order of operations. So parentheses first, okay, so that's negative 7, and that's going to be negative 5. So that's going to be negative 3 plus 2. This will end up being negative 7 minus 5 over negative 3 plus 2. That'll be negative 12 by our rules of subtracting negatives, and this will be negative 1, and so our answer is going to be 12. Okay, and then let's do a couple with some absolute values just to make sure you're comfortable with those. Okay, so remember what absolute values tells us. It just means that 3 comes out positive. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. And again, you can treat that absolute value like it's a parentheses and do it first. This is 3. So now we're going to multiply negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. Minus 3 is 6. And let's do one more of those, and then I will let you guys off of here. Remember this, you change the second 2 signs for those. And that's it. So that's just kind of a little bit more advanced, more complicated orders of operation.